Good morning, YouTube. I am in a fantastic mood for a couple different reasons, but one of those reasons is because I just watched a video of the brand new M5 getting beat by my car on a drag race, on a rolling start, and in the braking test. So all the comments that have been like, oh, you should have waited on the M5. The M5 is such a better car, blah, blah. Like, BMW fanboys always find a way to make the next BMW like the greatest car in the world, and then when it's not, they have an excuse. So I'm sure there'll be some kind of excuse in the comment section down below. But as of right now, my car is still the faster out of the two. So that puts me in a good mood. Another reason I'm in a good mood, maybe I'll tell you guys later, but something to do with it is that I told Becca I would, I'd give this little gremlin a bath. So, you ready? You ready? Okay, so I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I have launched my car once off camera. Mind-blowing. I've had launch control of my GT3 and my GTRs, all that stuff. I don't know if it's because how big and heavy this car is, but it literally feels like the front end comes off the ground a little bit. So I have a bunch of different cameras. I'm gonna set up a bunch of different angles and show you guys what it's like to launch this car. Also, there's an AMG meetup here in Houston. I got invited to this AMG club thing. I think it's like 40 cars for a photo shoot. Show you guys some of the cars there, and that's about it for the video. But first, I'm gonna take a page out of Max Tuning's Book of Success and get something to eat. All right, guys, I found what seems to be a pretty deserted road here in Mexico. Not in the US. This doesn't look familiar to anybody. This is nowhere in the US. I think I have about 2 miles of straight road behind me. Now, while this car's 0 to 60 time is incredible, Mercedes claims like a 3.3, 3.4, but really I think it's closer to like 3 flat. It doesn't stop at 60. It actually just keeps getting faster, 60 to 100, 120. I'm not gonna stop at 60. I'm gonna go until I don't feel comfortable anymore. And this thing's a very easy car to drive fast. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna mount one camera on the speedometer, one looking at me, one in the air, and then this guy's gonna stay behind the car so you guys can see how brutal it really is. So fuck it. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible. No one's on the road right now. Seems like a good time. I'm gonna pull right to the middle. So the nice part, and this is good for this situation because I really shouldn't be doing this, as opposed to like the GTR or the BMW M4 that I have where it's like 17 different buttons and like a sequence of things to get launch control. In this, you just put it in race mode, put your left foot on the brake, put your right foot on the gas, and that's it. Let go and hold on. So it's a little bit warm out, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get full power. And also, this road has a little bit of gravel on it, so ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! My God, a car this size should not be that fast. It's freaking, it's stupid, honestly. It's not safe. Mercedes, I respect the hell out of what you've done, but I also have to say, like, maybe tone it down a little bit. I don't think anyone needs this kind of power in a 4-door family car. What the f? Wow, that is way faster than the claimed 3.5 or 3.6 Mercedes says. There's no doubt in my mind this is faster than any other car I've had 0 to 60. I'm like, adrenaline. like I said before, it doesn't stop at 60. If you guys notice in that footage, 60 to 100 is almost as fast as 0 to 60. And 100 to 130 it's like there's so much torque all over the place. It's not like the GT3 where, you know, you could get up to 140, but once you get past like 90, it took a while to get to 140. This thing, I think all the way up to like 160, 170, you would just be steady climbing, which is unreal, honestly. I haven't gotten on the track yet, but I promise you guys that is coming. That's the next thing I'm doing with this car, is I'm gonna activate drift mode, and then after that, we're gonna go hang out on the track. I'm gonna get my camera before someone steals it. Whew. Oh my God. Oh, wow. So I said I was gonna go to an AMG meetup, and that was gonna be the end of this video. But when the girlfriend says she wants to go see Queens of the Stone Age, and I was listening to Queens of the Stone Age earlier, you say yes. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make the rest of this video work, because we're gonna go to a music festival, myself, Becca, Heidi, Christian, I think Nabil. Maybe film on my iPhone. I'm not really sure what the rest of this video is gonna do, but so let's figure it out. Once again, ending a video in my room. Okay, I had an amazing time last night. I did not expect that the good old iPhone X here would have such great footage that would take a color grade so well. Actually, turns out this thing is a beast. Definitely gonna use it more in the future. But I didn't film an outro, so now I'm in another situation where I have a badass video with no ending. So I figured to do a quick outro here at the house. Just jumped out of the shower. I'm about to run upstairs, but I wanna disclaim this video with, first off, I was not in the US driving like that, okay? Second off, do not go over the speed limit. Don't try to mimic this video. If you crash doing something stupid, it's not on me.
Don't you put that evil on me, Ricky Bobby!
And third, if you look at the drone shots and stuff, there's no oncoming traffic, there's no driveways, there's no nothing. So the road I was on, completely empty. So before you comment of how I'm such a selfish asshole and I'm gonna kill somebody and blah, blah, the only person I put at risk making this video was myself. So do with that what you will. Anyway, guys, hopefully you got the experience of what it's like to launch control the E63S. Comment down below what you think of the car, any other questions you may have. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell. I gotta run upstairs because the clickbait king himself, Christian Guzman, is gonna use my new relationship as clickbait for tomorrow's video. So go figure. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one.